Have you ever felt mentally, emotionally, and physically drained? Like no matter how much you rest, you just can't recharge? That's burnout. It's more than just stress. It's a state of complete exhaustion that makes even simple tasks feel overwhelming. Burnout doesn't happen overnight. It builds up slowly, and often we don't realize it until we're completely drained. But what exactly causes burnout? And more importantly, how can we recover from it? What is burnout? Burnout is a state of chronic stress and exhaustion that affects your motivation, productivity, and even your health. It's caused by prolonged pressure, whether from work, school, relationships, or personal expectations. It's different from just being tired. When you're burned out, rest doesn't seem to help, and you may start feeling detached from everything around you. Signs of burnout shows up in different ways, but here are some key signs to look out for. Constant exhaustion. You feel drained even after a full night's sleep. Loss of motivation. Things you once enjoyed now feel like a chore. Increased negativity. You feel more irritable, frustrated, or detached. Decreased productivity. No matter how hard you try, you struggle to focus. Physical symptoms, headaches, muscle pain, trouble sleeping, or even getting sick more often. If any of these sound familiar, you might be experiencing burnout. The good news? There are ways to recover and prevent it from happening again. How to recover from burnout. Step 1. Identify the source. Before you can fix burnout, you need to understand what's causing it. Is it work overload, lack of boundaries, personal stress, or emotional exhaustion? Recognizing the root cause is the first step toward change. Step 2. Prioritize rest and recovery. Burnout won't go away with just one good night's sleep. You need intentional recovery, taking breaks, getting fresh air, or even stepping away from responsibilities when needed. Quality rest is just as important as hard work. Step 3. Set boundaries. Many of us experience burnout because we say yes to everything. Learn to say no to things that drain you and protect your time. Set clear work-life boundaries, take breaks without guilt, and schedule time for yourself. Step 4. Find joy in small things. Burnout makes life feel dull. Reignite your energy by doing things that make you happy, whether it's listening to music, reading, spending time with loved ones, or exploring a hobby. Small moments of joy help reset your mind. Step 5. Take care of your body. Your physical health plays a huge role in mental well-being. Eat nourishing foods, drink enough water, move your body, and get quality sleep. When your body feels good, your mind follows. Step 6. Seek support. You don't have to handle burnout alone. Talk to someone, a friend, family member, or professional. Sometimes, just expressing how you feel can relieve some of the weight you're carrying. How to prevent burnout. Once you recover, the goal is to keep burnout from returning. Here's how. Schedule regular breaks. Don't wait until you're exhausted to rest. Balance work and play. Life isn't just about productivity. Make time for fun. Check in with yourself. Ask, how am I feeling? What do I need? Let go of perfectionism. You don't have to do everything perfectly to be enough. Burnout is a sign that something needs to change. It's your body's way of saying, slow down, take care of yourself, and reset. You deserve to feel energized, happy, and in control of your life again. What's one small change you can make today to prevent burnout? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mental health, self-care, and well-being. Because taking care of yourself isn't a luxury, it's a necessity.